Hi, here at H. Mitchell Car Sales, we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2020 Ford Fiesta 1 litre EcoBoost Titanium. This is the 95 brake horsepower model. This car's finished in ruby red metallic paint. It's got the LED daytime driving lights, chrome grille, front fog lights, body coloured door mirror with side repeaters, chrome trim running along the door tops, rear privacy glass, 16-inch alloy wheels, near side front alloy wheel, moving inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with patterned centre panels and the light grey stitching. Rear passenger area, so in the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. Isofix fixing points for the baby seat. Electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving around to the rear of the car, this car's got the rear parking sensors. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60-40 split rear seat. And this car is equipped with a space saver spare wheel. Moving on to the driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. So inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors, automatic headlamps, centre armrest with internal storage box. Inside the storage box there's a USB plug-in point, twin cup holders, this car's done 23,108 miles. Centre console, you've got the controls for the eco mode. You can turn off the traction control and the stop start deactivation switch. 6-speed gearbox, another USB plug-in port and 12-volt plug-in for accessories. Climate control. Then you've got the touchscreen media system, so this is the 8-inch touchscreen media system. So on the audio side you've got AM, FM and DAB radio stations, you've got Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, full screen navigation system. At the end of the indicator stalk you've got the control for the lane departure mode, cruise control and speed limiter controls on the steering wheel. On the other side of the steering wheel you've got the control to answer and reject phone calls, voice control if your phone's compatible. Moving back outside the car again, the identification plate tells us it's the Ford Fiesta Titanium 1 litre EcoBoost 95 PS engine, and it's a Euro 6.2 engine. Moving forward to the driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your inquiry. Bye.